Hello, Michael Devarajan, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. Today we are seeing the topic is aerial transporting equipment. Aerial transporting equipment in hosting equipment, use of rasting gears or brakes is of the paramount importance to prevent the raise load from the getting lowered of its own weight. When raising effort is with the rasting gear is used to hold the rotor lift by winches. The common arresting gears are parallel and ratchet mechanism, that is, a ratchet gear. The comprises of ratchet wheel and a pole. The roller ratchet or roller clutch is used as a arresting gear is combination with the brake. Brakes are used for dual purpose of holding the suspended load at rest and for controlling the speed of rate of load. Some of these brakes are to be operated while some of automatic. The operated brakes include shoe, bond, cone, disc brakes, etc. Centrifugal brakes and applied by weight of the loads are automatic types. Actuation can be through energizing magnet by AC or DC electricity or may be by hydraulic means the automatic brakes. These electromagnetic brakes and electro-hydraulic thrusters brakes can be used as a controlled brakes. Load handling attachments. The common attachments used with various hosting equipments. The hooks, grabs of different types. Grabs buckets for bulk load, lentils for liquid materials, electromagnets, etc. The hooks, the common method of lifting unit load by the hosting equipment, is to sling the load by chain or rope and suspended it from the hook of the hosting equipment to facilitate the handling of loads by hook. Many manufactured goods and packages are provided with the hooking facilities, rings, bails, holes, etc., through which the hook may be directly introduced. Different arrangements of suspension hooks, which cross space and casings with heavy grabs for the quick suspension and release of typical types of loads. Certain specific grabs are used. The special performance requirements of these grabs are conformation to the shape and properties of the load, quick grabbing and raising, adequate strength and reliability, safety to men and loads, convenience to use, low budget. Some of the common traps in use are brief below. Carrier beams are implied to the lift long and grabs and clamps of different styles are used for handling different types of load. Carrier type grabs are used for carrying short or long shaft. Clamps are used to grip sheet or plate types of loads. Self-cleansing trunks are used for automatic grabbing of different shapes. The trunks are made self-closing to avoid manual intervention during grabbing. Grabbing attachments are used for lifting loose materials by means of crane transferring them. They are basically two types of these grabbing attachments for all loose materials. These are the box type structures made from the steel sheets. The tabs are provided with doors and bottoms or sides which can be opened by a pulley rope from the crane for automatic dumping of the contents inside the tub. These tubs have to be filled up manually by or using some other materials handling equipment. The tubes are provided by the wheels for suspending them from a hook crane. Grab buckets. These are the specially designed buckets attachments which scoop loose materials and dump them mechanically through manipulation of ropes from the crane. The grabs are used for handling large amount of loose materials through cranes. The bucket essentially consists of two clam shells like scoops with rounded bottoms which are hung by four roots from a top cross members. The inner of the scoops are also hung from the and the removable cross member or the joints are provided with pins for pivot traction. The top and bottom cross members are suspended through ropes from a crane. This principle of operations of a double rope grab bracket is shown in figure. When the rope is one for the bottom cross member is loose, the grab buckets open up due to its own weight. Self-cleansing grabbing tubs, carrier pins, crane grabs, carrier type clamps show conformation to the shape and the properties of the load. quick grappling and releasing, adequate strength and reliability, safety to men and loads. Thank you.